Out on the field, pilots prepare for flight. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to qualification match number 51. As we see robots in action, 58-14 moves past that baseline for the Blue Alliance. As their alliance partners, 527, tried to drop off a gear, but unfortunately they missed. But now the drivers get to take control in this teleoperated period. The Red Alliance is quickly able to get a gear into that first rotor, and they line up another one in the second. If they can get one more gear into that red airship, they can start turning the second rotor. The Blue Alliance also with rotor 1 turning. The pilot, unfortunately unable to bring a gear onto the airship. 58-14, the robot will have to try again to bring one over to the lift. Playing a little bit of quick defense against the red 59-55. Our friends from Ecuador go over to their blue retrieval zone to pick up some gears from their human player. It's a close match right now, only 5 points between these two alliances, 55-50. Each airship with only one rotor turning at this time, but a blue pilot has been able to retrieve one gear as they'll stack it onto the gear train. And now the Red Alliance is able to get a second gear up onto rotor 2. So now they have 2 rotors turning. Just under 1 minute left to go in this match. 105-50, the advantage to the Red Alliance. We have a blue rotor turning, so now both airships have 2 rotors. Let's see how many more gears they can get to their pilots and how many more rotors they can get turning. If they're able to get all 4 rotors turning before the end of the match, that's an extra ranking point. 65-93 for the Blue Alliance empties a hopper of fuel onto the field as we enter the final seconds of the game. 20 seconds to go. 5-2-7 for the Blue Alliance in the air, and a blue light goes on as 65-93 tries to climb up that rope. They have 7 seconds to do so, and they're able to get up, but they break just as they reach the top. Unfortunately, that rope tears. Unofficial edge to the Blue Alliance. We'll have your scores in just a moment. And the scores go up from match 51, and the Blue Alliance takes the lead, 145-105. 2 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. All 3 of those teams move up. And we shall have match number 52 in just a moment.